What allow economic change
is continue to progress strongly.
What are the major concerns to make the economic growth
They might be from serious resources of the tourism industry.
Do hydros power then continue to allow economic growth
Yes, very much.
What in the loud economic projection based into loud sunshine
I link is V7.07
While the loud sound interesting what is the length of economic growth compared to other East Asian countries
อ๋อว้าวเลยป่ะ
มันอะไร
ว้าวนี่นะ is the turn farm chain after Indonesia and China
Kade Lao Indos no me set their future
Yes in Davos Japanese economists test
Indeed Haven in recent years but they of a very good future